Hi guys, I am so excited about today's video. We're going to be making the perfect strawberry shortcake. This is light, fluffy, and delicious. So let's get started. In a medium-sized bowl, you're going to whisk together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 a teaspoon of baking soda. All right, so now we're going to grate our butter. You can use a food processor. If you don't have a food processor, though, you can just use a box grater. So now you're just gonna add your butter to the bowl, and then you're just gonna kind of try to blend it the best you can with a fork. All right, now we are going to mix together 1 egg in 1/4 a cup of Greek yogurt. Then we're going to go ahead and add the Greek yogurt to the flour mixture. All right, so now we're gonna add our dough to our food processor and mix it up. That's just really gonna help to add, just really combine the ingredients. Now we're going to roll out our dough with a rolling pin, and we're just gonna basically roll it out. Then with a pizza cutter, we are going to cut our dough into 8 even slices. Then we're gonna go ahead and just set those right onto our baking sheet. Go ahead and brush our cakes with some butter, and then we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle some sugar over the top. And you don't need to be shy with this part. It just is really to sweeten the cakes up because there isn't tons of sugar in them. So then we're gonna go ahead and bake them at 400 degrees for about 15 to 17 minutes. All right, so now that our cakes are out of the oven, it's time to start fixing up our strawberry mixture. So we're just gonna go ahead and cut our strawberries into fourths. You can really do this however you please. You can either cut them into 4 triangles or 4 even lines. It's really all up to you and your personal preference. The amount of strawberries you use is totally up to you. Okay, now we're gonna add 1/2 a cup of sugar, mix it up, and put it in the refrigerator.
What have we done under the sun?
All right, so now we're gonna make our whipped cream. So in a stand-up mixer, you're going to beat 2.5 cups of heavy whipping cream until it thickens. All right, so now we're going to add 1/2 a cup of powdered sugar to really sweeten it up. And then you're going to add about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. All right, now it's time to start assembling your strawberry shortcake. You can really do this however you please and what your personal preference is.
Pillars that stack and hold up the sun.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell. Also, make sure you check out our brand new Instagram account with tons of exclusive pictures of our bakes.